and welcome. My name is Brian and I'm with the ABI Technical Support Team, and today we're going to be talking about ratchet valves. The ratchet valve is a great tool on our water trailers that allows you to easily turn water flow on and off from the seat of the tractor or truck or whatever your tow vehicle may be. One quick thing that we'll talk about first is these tabs on the top indicate the flow of the water. So the alignment of the tabs is the alignment of the opening in the valve. So at this point, tabs are across. So as you can see, the valve is closed. As we ratchet it, tabs are in line here, valve is open. So that is a quick visual that you can do to see if the water flow is running through your ratchet valve. Now we're going to go through some of the general troubleshooting that we experience with the ratchet valves. The only thing you'll need is a 7/16 inch wrench. Whether you do socket, nut driver, doesn't matter. But now we'll walk through disassembling the ratchet portion of the valve to do that inspection. All right, so first things first, we need to remove this U-clip. So we're going to take our 7/16 inch nut driver, and we're going to quickly unscrew this. And then we'll set that out to the side. All right, our next step, we're going to actually remove the handle here. And for this, you don't have to remove this extension spring here. You can leave that connected. We want to be especially careful, this little silver retaining ring, we do not want to lose that. So we're going to carefully lift this off of here. Spring tension's going to pull it back. We're going to flip this over. We're going to set this ring over to the side out of the way. One of the most common failures that we have is related to the spring and pin here for the ratcheting mechanism. Sometimes this pin can come out, sometimes it can shear, sometimes the spring will break. So in this case, we have a new valve. So as you can see, spring and a pin here. Those two components sit in the hole, and that's what engages in the cogs of the ratchet here to turn the water on and off. All right, one last thing before we start reassembling is to remember there are a couple other components here. There is a metal washer here that goes on top, and then there is this actual ratchet gear. As you will notice, it says top on it. So if you are taking this apart in the field, make sure that that has the top side up so that that will catch the ratchet mechanism correctly as we put this all back together. All right, at this point, we're ready to start reassembling. So first things first, the spring will go in first into the hole in the valve handle. Then we will put the pin in. If this pin is damaged, broke, or needing to be replaced, it is simply a 3/16 by 5/8 inch long pin. You can pick one up locally at a hardware store if that is needing to be replaced. So once the spring is in, the pin will go in next. And then at that point, you've got the spring action there. Then we will carefully put this back onto the ratchet mechanism, making sure to align the pin on the mechanism. Then we are ready to put this retainer ring in. You'll have to kind of work the valve handle to make sure it's centered on there. And then last, we have our U-clip with a single bolt to hold that in. We'll take our 7/16 inch nut driver, tighten that up, and we're back to ratcheting. All right, with that, we have our ratchet valve back together, back to functioning, and you are ready to go to work. As always, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact our customer service team here at ABI. Phone number 1-877-788-7253. Thanks a lot.